Hey, we're going to Pop's crib, man. It's been a while, bro. We're going to Pop's.
Know the vibes, man.
See, I think we got one.
Oh, I messed up.
Young Mozart. For now, we're about to air up the tires. And then I'm going to let y'all see if y'all can guess what type of car this is.
2 hours later.
This tire got a big ass crack in it. And if you notice, this right here is all pee from my dad's dogs. Remember the dogs that peed on the shit last time?
Previously.
And the dog peed on everything while we was gone. My dad's dogs, the ones he was trying to get me to babysit last time. And when we left, it came and it peed on everything. So like I said, the dogs have peed. The dogs have peed everywhere, right? So the tires are kind of rotted. This car's been sitting for a while. Like honestly, like since 2019 for real. Right now, the tire's not blowing up on the front because it has a crack in it, but my compressor apparently is missing a washer between here, this part right here, and here. So the air is leaking out of it, so it's not having enough pressure to build up. But I honestly don't think that these tires are gonna hold air anyway, so I don't know if blowing them up is the best idea. That one has a crack on it. And hear the air coming out of it, listen. So that's gonna be a tire that's gonna need to be replaced. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show y'all what I was about to be working on. So here we got a Honda Accord, man.
Here in Ohio, we tested the new Honda Accord V6 and discovered that the car more people buy than any other is now better and quicker than ever before. Now, why would you want a car that lets you get away so fast? You got your reasons. The new Accord V6 from Honda.
Bro, I don't know how much it's recorded because my phone keeps dying because it's hot outside. It's like 100 degrees. But yeah, man, I haven't sat in a Honda in a while, bro. I haven't sat in this car. We got a sunroof. You know what I'm saying? Back seat. Interior's clean. Interior's literally clean. So we can fix this car up. All it needs is the engine. Just needs a motor in it, bro. That's it. A motor, some suspension, wheels, new oil, liquids, stuff like that. So let me know down in the comments for real, because I'm down to fix this up, bro. I am down. Yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. Should we fix up the Honda? Should we fix up the Honda or should we stay searching? Let's see what this motor looks like.
I think I got a picture of it. It was something. I know I got a picture of it. Something. Yeah. This is it. It probably needs a new air conditioning pump because that one didn't even kick on. And then I don't think I ever tried to put any Freon. I mean, I don't know if the Freon it needs it, but I didn't try to put that either. So.
What's that new stuff? R34 or something?
Yeah. This might be R34. Wait a minute. Air conditioners. I don't have the glasses on. Let's see.
Say air conditioning. It says R134A. So it's the stuff that we can just buy at AutoZone or something like that.
Yep.
Let me know what y'all think, man. Should this be the build we start? Because it needs a new motor. Because Pops decided to try to turn it into a boat and drive through a puddle and then drowned out the engine the next day and blew it. He blew it. But yeah, what do y'all think, man? Like, we got some wheels here. We definitely need new wheels. We're gonna need everything up under here new. Suspension, the interior's nice, the body's nice. But everything else would have to be replaced. What do y'all think? Let me know. Go ahead, comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Should this Honda Accord be the project car? Let me know. We're gonna see what we can do. Let me know down below for real. If you guys want me to fix this car up, I will fix it up. I have it, I own it, it's here. Like, you know what I mean? It just needs a new motor in it. I've never swapped a motor out, so that'd be my first motor swap. So if you guys do want to see that, let me know. I'm really with it because I'm really itching to fix up a car. Haven't fixed up a car in a while. I'm sorry if the video looks bad. I'm just on the cell phone. It's a random video. I'm just gonna start vlogging more of my regular life versus me trying to find something dope to do. And this is just like regular stuff that I do. Called Pops, he was chilling at the crib. I was like, yo, I'm gonna pull up with my air compressor. We're gonna blow the tires up and see what we're working with, bro. Or if not, would y'all rather me fix up a V8? Make a muscle car? Let me know. I'm with it. Peace.
I ain't gotta sell my soul. Now I ain't doing what I'm told. All I know is I'ma ride at the top, and coming with me. I've been going through a lot, and my brothers